Hey everyone, another quick one for Sunday. So I was given a brief. This is a nail order because I haven't had time to film a proper video. I suppose it is a proper video. I've had a brief. So she wants red and pink with a penguin, a hat, snowflakes and some iridescent-y rainbow stickers. So she chose this penguin, which is adorable, and this little Santa hat with a little like mistletoe-y holly on it, and she chose these colours: the B352 focus, there we go, and the A382. So the pink one is a flash reflective one. I think that's why she fell in love with it. And then these, I mean, who wouldn't fall in love with these? Come on. So I've got to try and incorporate all of that together. I've drawn a design, but it doesn't, I don't stick to the design. Just go with the flow sort of thing. So let's get on with it. So let's start with a base coat. Let's pop that on and give it a cure. I think I use all of Beetle's polishes in this. I'm sure I do. Let's give that a lovely base coat. And obviously I'm doing the full set, but I'm only going to show you when I do the one hand, because obviously the other pan's exactly the same, so you don't want to see the same footage twice. So I pop them in the lamp, and I've got that flash reflective, what was it called, B352, and I've put that on the index finger. And then I added an extra colour, A808, can't remember the name of this one, but I put that on the thumb, the middle and the ring, and then I was like, let's put that glitter on the pinky as well. So they've all had 2 coats. So I've grabbed the red and I've put it on my palette, and grabbed the ultraliner brush, and I'm just going to create a red French on the thumb and the ring finger. And I do 2 coats of that as well. And then white for the snowflakes. I thought I'd put the snowflakes on first. This is A219. And I'm only going to do like the super simple with the 5 dots down, 5 dots across, and then a dot for the diagonal. So I thought I'd only do the super simple one. Out of breath now. I had to run downstairs to Amazon. A few more Christmas presents getting delivered. I've actually done all of my Christmas shopping now. There's a few bits of food to get, like all the fresh vegetables and stuff, but I am done. I've just got to wrap everything and finish making a few things, and bash these videos out for you. I've got to get them all done. I am contemplating not doing Christmas Day video. It is a Sunday, but yeah, I don't know what to do. So I thought these were water decals for some reason, and I stuck it down on the stamper, started wetting it. I was like, oh, it's not soaking in. Is it a sticker? Yes, it is. It was a sticker. So I couldn't save that, unfortunately, but luckily there was 3 penguins, so that was very, very lucky, I must say. So the penguins on the thumb, and then that hat on the ring finger. Have you got all of your Christmas shopping done yet? Is that a touchy subject? I know a lot of people like to leave it till the last minute. I don't like to leave it. It just happens, doesn't it? I'm really looking forward to Christmas dinner. I can't wait. So those iridescent-y, rainbowy oil slick, are they? Those stickers. I've just chopped off a few bits, and it's almost like sweater designs, almost Christmas sweaters. So I've put like the snowflakey bits, and then we're going to have some deers prancing either side of it. I tried to keep, because they are like oil slick, I've tried to keep the same colours that are on the other nails. A bit of green, a bit of pink, a bit of red, and try and get that on there. Just so that it all kind of fuses in together, it all works as a set. Because pink and red, they don't really go, do they? But we're trying here. So once I am happy with the placement of those, because I've overcut them, like they're longer than the actual nail, once they're all secured down, I just get my little nail scissors and snip off around the edges. And then I'll give them all a top coat, a lovely glossy top coat. And then I get a nail file, and I just make sure that this one now because the scissors don't get right up close to the nail. So I just filed off and made sure that that was all sealed in again. We had some money stolen off us on Tuesday. So Monday we had a letter to say that the water company that we get our water from, they were hacked and all of my personal information was put on the dark web. And then Tuesday I checked my bank, as I do every morning, and I was $100 down, and it was a transaction at like 8 o'clock in the morning or something, which I was fast asleep, by the way. Shh. So I had to open a dispute. Thankfully I got my money back within a few days, but I've had to change all my passwords for everything. Oh, it's so bloody horrible. It happened a couple of years ago as well. Yeah, people like to steal money off me. Fun times. Anyway, moving on. Let's be happy. It's Christmas. Let me know what you thought of this video. Do you think I hit the brief? Yeah, I'd really like to know your thoughts, because I do like them. I think they're beautiful, but it's really hard to incorporate it all together. But yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.